Ready to explore some of the hottest questions buzzing around this month? It's time to take a deep dive into the trending queries that everyone's talking about. So stick around and let's jump right in. The mighty North Atlantic Current, part of the Gulf Stream system, has been steadily gaining heat since the 1970s. That's not unusual. What is alarming is its recent behavior. Scientists have discovered that since January 2024, it has lost nearly half of its heat content, dropping from 10 degrees Celsius to just 5 degrees. This drastic temperature swing raises questions. Why is the ocean suddenly cooling? How does it affect the marine ecosystem? And what does it mean for our planet's climate? Is this trend part of a larger shift in ocean currents? Stay tuned because we will address that. Now let's turn our attention to another trending query, the Ocean Beach ferry schedule. In a picturesque town nestled between the sea and mountains, there is a tradition. Every summer, a ferry gracefully navigates the azure waters, connecting the town to the mainland. This haven of tranquility boasts pristine beaches where families create lasting memories. Now here's the question: when will the ferry arrive? Our investigation reveals that the Ocean Beach ferry typically operates on a bi-weekly schedule, departing Wednesdays and Saturdays at 8 a.m. sharp. This timetable ensures that locals and tourists alike can conveniently access this coastal paradise. Now let's delve into yet another intriguing query, the Ocean City webcams. Imagine waking up to a panoramic view of the glistening ocean, as if you were actually there. Thanks to technology, you can experience the beauty of Ocean City from the comfort of your home. The Ocean City webcam offers a live feed showcasing the ever-changing moods of the sea. Now the question is, where can you find these captivating views? Simply visit the official Ocean City website and click on the webcam link. There you will be greeted with a live feed displaying the stunning vistas of Ocean City. Next, let us shift our focus to a lighter note and discuss a trending query that captures the essence of summer fun: surfing waves. Picture this: you're at the beach on a sunny day. The sand between your toes and the salty breeze on your face. As you gaze out at the horizon, you see it, the perfect wave rolling towards you. Without hesitation, you grab your surfboard and paddle out into the turquoise waters. Now the question is, how can you stay safe while enjoying this thrilling activity? First and foremost, always prioritize safety. Before hitting the waves, it's crucial to assess the surf conditions. Choose a spot that suits your skill level and pay attention to any warning flags. Now let's talk about catching that perfect wave. As a beginner, it's essential to start with smaller waves. Paddle out to a position where you can easily catch unbroken waves. When you see a wave approaching, paddle hard to catch it. Stand up and ride the wave all the way to shore. Remember to practice and learn from each wave. Moving forward, let's explore another trending query, the Heart of the Ocean movie. Get ready to embark on an extraordinary cinematic journey back in time. The year is 1997, and Titanic, the epic romance film that captivated audiences worldwide, is making waves once again. But now the question is, where can you watch this timeless masterpiece? To satisfy your curiosity, several streaming platforms offer Titanic. You can also check local listings for showtimes. Our next trending query takes us to the vibrant underwater world, colorful corals. Imagine a bustling city teeming with life, but instead of towering skyscrapers, it's made of vibrant corals. Welcome to the world of coral reefs, where an array of aquatic creatures call home. But why are they so crucial to the marine ecosystem? Coral reefs play a vital role in protecting coastlines from erosion and storms, supporting biodiversity, and providing food and livelihoods for countless individuals. However, they face numerous threats, including rising ocean temperatures and pollution. The question is, what can you do to help protect them? One way to make a difference is through responsible tourism. When visiting coral reefs, follow guidelines to minimize your impact. By being mindful of our actions, we can preserve these underwater gems for generations to come. As we continue our deep dive into trending queries, we encounter an adorable duo, baby dolphins. Imagine witnessing a pod of playful dolphins leaping and twirling through the water. Their grace and cuteness are truly mesmerizing. But did you know that dolphins are highly intelligent creatures? They possess large brains and exhibit complex social behaviors. The question is, How can you learn more about these fascinating animals? Thankfully, educational resources abound. You can explore interactive websites, watch captivating documentaries, or even visit aquariums to observe dolphins in their habitats. Our next trending query takes us on a wild ride: shark attacks. The ocean's depths hold both beauty and danger, and sharks often capture our fascination and fear. But the truth is, shark attacks are relatively rare. Most sharks are not aggressive towards humans. However, it's important to be aware of safety measures. If you're heading into the water, educate yourself about shark behavior and heed any warnings. Remember, respecting their habitat can help ensure a harmonious coexistence. Next, we explore a creature that has captured humanity's imagination for centuries: giant squid. These elusive creatures inhabit the darkest depths of the ocean, and their enormous size and mysterious nature have sparked countless myths and legends. But how big can giant squid grow? The largest recorded giant squid measured over 13 meters in length. It's bigger than a school bus. The question is, how do scientists study these elusive creatures? Due to their deep-dwelling habitat, studying giant squid remains challenging. However, advancements in technology have enabled researchers to learn more about their behavior and ecology. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll unravel all the secrets of these deep-sea dwellers. The next query on our list takes us on a magical journey into the ocean's embrace: mermaid sightings. Mermaids have captivated human imagination for ages. These mythical creatures, said to have the upper body of a woman and the tail of a fish, are believed to inhabit the depths of the ocean. But are mermaids real? While there's no scientific evidence to prove their existence, mermaid sightings continue to captivate our curiosity. Could there be a grain of truth behind these enchanting tales? The ocean's vastness holds many mysteries, and perhaps there are still undiscovered wonders waiting to be uncovered. In the final moments of our journey, we encounter a terrifying yet awe-inspiring natural phenomenon: tsunami. The sheer power of the ocean is on full display. But tsunamis are not like regular waves. They're caused by earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, or underwater landslides. Tsunamis can travel across the ocean at incredible speeds, reaching heights of over 30 meters. The question is, how can we better prepare for such devastating events? Research and monitoring of tsunami activity are crucial. By understanding the forces that cause them, we can develop early warning systems and strengthen coastal infrastructure to mitigate the impact. And with that, our journey through the depths of the ocean and the trending queries that captivate our collective curiosity comes to an end. From the mysterious allure of the ocean's depths to the heartwarming charm of baby dolphins, we've explored a myriad of fascinating topics that ignite our sense of wonder. Along the way, we've encountered terrifying predators, marveled at the beauty of coral reefs, and pondered the existence of mythical creatures. The ocean's vastness never ceases to amaze, and as we navigate its depths, both literally and figuratively, we uncover a world of beauty, mystery, and ecological importance. So until our next deep dive into the digital tides, keep asking questions, stay curious, and remember that the ocean's secrets are calling. If you're loving this journey with us, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more amazing adventures.